Pretty much, if you want to have a nice little story at night, there's a few options to hit, and it's different girls' voices that tell interesting stories, let's say. That puts you at ease. Pretty cool. Especially if you're traveling by yourself. Whew. Definitely do not miss all this hustle bustle, walking, traffic, cars, cops. Nah, I'm good. All this. So we are here at the shops at Hudson Yard. We're going over to a new structure that was built recently called a vessel, which is supposedly like a work of art. So we're gonna check that out. And here you have pretty much the mall shops at Hudson Yard that you can cut through to get to, since they're doing so much construction on the streets. Normally I would just walk straight up, but we're gonna go this way. And that is the view from inside the shops here in the mall. So that's right behind me. That is the vessel. So it was built, I believe in March, or open around that time. Let's see what has 154 interconnecting flights of stairs, almost 2,500 individual steps, and 80 landings. The vertical climb offers remarkable views of the city. So that is where we're headed. And we are now outside. We'll try to get up in this thing. So it's pretty easy. If you look up the vessel and you go to the website, there's like the $10 you can pay for a flex pass. That means you can go anytime. But truthfully, you could get free tickets here. There's a little kiosk you go and do that, or there's a guy walking around with one of those QR codes that if you have an iPhone, snap it, takes you right there. And you just do everything on your phone. You get a little mobile ticket, free beans, you know, not a cent paid, and you get to go in there. So mine's at 12:30, which is like 15 minutes from now. So I'm just gonna kind of walk around, take a little bit more video around here. Here we have the Hudson Yards itself. So much nicer this trip than Houston, where I got poured on by the damn tropical depression. And it's gonna be sunny the last couple of days I'm here. So last day in the city, and then we head over to New Jersey, Paterson, where I'm born and raised. We're gonna take some cool videos and pictures over there, meet the fam, see where I was produced and came from. All right, just gotta wait a little bit, and then we're gonna go climb the vessel. There's an elevator too for those that are worried about the amount of climbing and exercise that has to be done. So I need exercise, so I'm doing the climb. That was a little cool opening, you know, take some pictures, people setting their timers, taking video. Now we have all the stairs we can climb up. There's a little inner workings of the vessel. already sweating. It's like an 80-degree day here in NY City. But my body's built for it. That's the Florida living. Blue you see is where I had put the camera before, take the pictures kind of leaning over. So that gives you a whole view from up top. Now we're up top, we get the view from the bottom.